Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to an Infiniti QX60. First, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled and visible to other devices. It's always best to be safely parked before you begin this process. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on your Infiniti's infotainment screen. This is where we'll initiate the pairing. We'll then move on to selecting the Bluetooth option to find your phone. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option. You'll then see an option to add new device. Tap this to start the search for your iPhone. Your QX60 will now look for available devices. When your iPhone appears on the screen, select it. A pairing code will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these match to proceed with the connection. After confirming the pairing code, your iPhone should now be connected. Check the QX60 Bluetooth menu to ensure your device is listed as active. Test the connection by playing some audio or making a quick hands-free call. If you encounter any problems, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Infiniti's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. You can also try deleting the pairing and starting over. For a more integrated experience, many Infiniti QX60 models support Apple CarPlay. To use CarPlay, connect your iPhone to the QX60 USB port, typically found in the center console. Make sure CarPlay is enabled in your iPhone's general settings. Once connected, you should see the CarPlay icon appear on your QX60 main infotainment screen, allowing access to navigation, music, and messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.